I lost my job last week. I lost my job last week. I turned off my alarm, but I fell asleep again. I turned off my alarm, but I fell asleep again. I need to fill up my car with gas. I need to fill up my car with gas. I'm rushing to work this morning. I'm rushing to work this morning. I just got a new job yesterday. I just got a new job yesterday. I was scrolling on my phone all night. I was scrolling on my phone all night. I've been struggling to find a job. I've been struggling to find a job. I'm on maternity leave right now. I'm on maternity leave right now. I usually pay in cash. I usually pay in cash. I took my medicine this morning. I took my medicine this morning. I have a really bad headache. I have a really bad headache. I work as a blogger. I work as a blogger. I accidentally hit someone's car. I accidentally hit someone's car. My teacher is coming to visit my house today. My teacher is coming to visit my house. There was a small earthquake last night. There was a small earthquake last night. The teacher is grading our papers. The teacher is grading our papers. I drive a taxi for a living. I drive a taxi for a living. My breath smells fresh after I brush my teeth. My breath smells fresh after I brush my teeth. I have a high fever today. I have a high fever today. I need to warm up a little before exercising. I need to warm up a little before exercising. It's a traditional wedding. It's a traditional wedding. I'm having dinner with my brother tonight. I'm having dinner with my brother tonight. My boss got mad at me today. My boss got mad at me today. I'm going to the dentist this afternoon. I'm going to the dentist this afternoon. My laptop got hacked yesterday. My laptop got hacked yesterday. I slept in this morning. I stayed up too late last night. I feel a bit down today.
I'm stir-frying some vegetables for lunch. I'm stir-frying some vegetables for lunch. I clean the floor by hand when it gets dirty. I clean the floor by hand when it gets dirty. I saw big windmills on our trip. I saw big windmills on our trip. I feel sick today. I feel sick today. I play video games to relax. I play video games to relax. Don't sit too close to the TV. Don't sit too close to the TV. I go skiing every winter. I go skiing every winter. The police questioned me about the accident. The police questioned me about the accident. I had an argument with my friend. I had an argument with my friend. I drive on the highway every day. I drive on the highway every day. I love singing karaoke with my friends. I love singing karaoke with my friends. I've been working really hard lately. I've been working really hard lately. I drink a glass of milk before bed. I drink a glass of milk before bed. It's so hot today. It's so hot today. I wiped the sweat off my face. I wiped the sweat off my face. I gave my grandma a shoulder massage. I gave my grandma a shoulder massage. My job is really stressful sometimes. My job is really stressful sometimes. I eat too much fast food. I eat too much fast food. I'm getting an IV at the hospital. I'm getting an IV at the hospital. I sprayed mosquito repellent before sleeping. I sprayed mosquito repellent before sleeping. I meditate for 10 minutes every morning. I meditate for 10 minutes every morning. Don't forget to wash your hands. Don't forget to wash your hands. I love shopping online. I love shopping online. I'm sitting in the closet taking a call. I'm sitting in the closet taking a call. I'm really thirsty. I'm really thirsty. I got a bonus at work. I got a bonus at work. I borrowed some money from my friend. I borrowed some money from my friend. Remember to take your medicine on time. Remember to take your medicine on time. We're working together on this project. We're working together on this project. My teacher said I did a great job. My teacher said I did a great job. I bought tickets for the BTS concert. I bought tickets for the BTS concert. I kissed my wife on the cheek before work. I kissed my wife on the cheek before work. I study hard every day. I study hard every day. We're harvesting vegetables in the garden. We're harvesting vegetables in the garden. I'm too full to eat more. I'm too full to eat more. I turned on the air conditioner. I turned on the air conditioner. I couldn't sleep last night. I couldn't sleep last night. Carry it in carefully, please. Carry it in carefully. I go hiking every weekend. I go hiking every weekend. I'd like to order some food, please. I'd like to order some food. I call my mom every evening. I call my mom every evening. I deliver packages for work. I deliver packages for work.